I just finished setting up the cam trimmer right here. Look. So this is where the shell holder goes. The pilot. I seen this somewhere else, so I decided to go ahead and do the same thing, which is take off this. Used to go here, and I had someone else come and weld me a little piece of just an impact, little whatever it's called, right there. And I also put it on a metal because I had it on wood, but these would scratch my table like that. So I came up with this idea. Was have a buddy of mine. He's a welder. He had extra pieces. I asked him for this piece right here. It seems to work out pretty good. It's solid. It's heavy. Not heavy, but it's steady. Well, it is somewhat heavy, so it won't move around easily, and those will not scratch the table. So it should work pretty good. And then this, hold up. So here's this. And it's gonna go like this. Something like that. So I'm gonna start showing you guys what I do. I'm barely learning how to reload, so I'll learn some of this stuff and I'll share it with you guys. There's my press.